Here's Mario and the chef with Sunday Brunch.
All right, we've got pizza for breakfast. Our favorite chef, Frank Turtle, classic cooking here with
Mario, how are you?
Good.
Puff pastry pizza. I mean, this is really, when you get 2 sheets of puff pastry in a box, cut it in half, so you're going to get 4. So technically, a family of 4, that's 1 of each.
Nice.
But we've got some interesting ingredients that are going on this. So what I did was I took a knife and I made a ridge about a ½ an inch all the way around, and I just poked some holes in it because this dough takes off when you do it. So now I brushed the top of this with a little bit of olive oil. Now I got a combination of shredded mozzarella and some little mozzarella balls. So you want to you don't want to go right to the edge. You want to keep within that range. And then we're going to add, these are sauteed mushrooms that were sauteed. And when I cook them, I use what's called brown butter. So when they cook, they get that meaty taste to them.
Yeah, nice.
Then after this, I'm going to put on these are cherry tomatoes. Going to add a little bit of chopped scallion, the green, then a little bit of Calabrian chilies, a little pinch of salt, and then a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to finish it with just a splash of olive oil. Into the oven. When it comes out, we're going to finish it with basil. And that one there, you can see it. They have this now. This is hot honey goat cheese.
Oh my gosh.
This stuff is off the wall,
put that
Mario.
on top. After it's done, you put it on?
Yeah, when it's done, so it'll kind of melt, and if not,
Okay. I love
this
goat
is really
cheese.
good. It might be a little hot. This came out of the oven not too long ago, so just be careful. You can tell it's pizza. You got the cheese.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you got to catch the honey, the hot. You got to catch the goat cheese with
It
the hot
definitely
honey.
has a kick to it.
Yeah, one of the things about this hot honey, especially mixed with food, the goat, you can actually taste the goat cheese. Remember I told you when you tried it, I said, Mark, give 15 seconds and then pop. Then you're going to get but you want to taste the product before you get the little bit of heat.
This is so good.
Yep, it is.
What do we call it?
Puff pastry pizza. Actually, this is one from the year 2000.
Wow.
In our repertoire, the old cooking with class, they worked out nice, so I recycled it.
Nice. Wish we had a website.
China10.com.
I'll see you next week.
We'll be here.